Hello viewers, good news for the users of Apple iPad. Apple has released a new update, that is iPadOS 18.4. In this update there are many changes and the size of this update is bigger than the previous update. As you can see here, the size is 3.36 GB and there are many changes. As you can see, 8 new emojis, new sketch style option on image playground, and also there will be changes in Apple News Plus and entertainment to have better organization in terms of gallery management. Before updating to the latest version, you can see that my iPad is about 21.9 GB free, and let me show you iPadOS and system data. Here you can see iPadOS and system data, and after update I will show you again this scenario. So without further delay, let's install the latest version on my iPad and show you what are the changes. As the size of this update is very big, you must have stable Wi-Fi connection to get this installed on your iPad. So finally I updated my iPad 10th generation to the latest version of iPadOS 18.4. Now let me show you the storage section. As you can see here, after this update actually 24.15 GB is free, and if I go down into iPadOS you can see that 11.18 GB and system data is around 7 GB. Many things have been changed in album section. You can see here you can customize and reorder these sections as per your preference. Actually this feature is also available in the previous update and they have updated it with little bit of customization. Secondly, you can now enable or disable this recently viewed and recently shared option in the album by going into the Photos app. Then if I go into the wallpaper section, I can see that some of the emojis have been added with this new update. As you can see here, these things were previously available, but some emoji wallpapers have been added along with this new update, so you can add them to your lock screen and your home screen to get a new feeling or fresh feeling while using them. But apart from these emojis, no extra wallpaper have been added in this wallpaper section. So this is a minor change, I would say. However, if you want more wallpapers, you can download any app of your choice and then you can set them as lock screen and home screen. In the last update, many users were facing battery issues. Battery drainage was very high on their iPad, so they were asking me about the new update. But in this update, I cannot surely tell now whether the battery life will be improved or not. But you can see here only 3% battery has been drained and I have used it for 44 minutes. So I think the battery life will be very good. After updating to the latest version, I played some HDR videos and I find no problem in playing HDR videos. However, it will not play HDR videos, it will be played in non-HDR mode. But you can play 4K 60 FPS video, that is a good thing in iPad. If you have Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus, in that tablet you cannot play 4K 60 FPS videos in YouTube. After the latest update, I find no issue with the scrolling and multitasking. It is as smooth as it was before, so there is no problem in multitasking and opening apps and closings. So I can say that UI is as responsive as it was before. So finally, in the conclusion, should you upgrade to the latest version? I think you should wait for a few days when the review video of this new update will come out. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.